Tata Motors is in focus today as Economic Time reports that the company is looking to raise funds in its EV business. Remember that in the recent years, Tata Motors has increased focus on the development of electric vehicles, and now ET reports that the company may approach PE funds, sovereign wealth funds and strategic investors to raise capital from the potential strategic partners or investors, including all of these. Top officials close to the development said that the talks are at a very early stage as of now and may not result in a deal as of now. The official cited that the Tata Group has high expectations with regards to its EV business valuation, but it will need to show more volumes if the expectations are to be met. Remember, in March 2020, Tata Motors board has approved the plans to hive off its passenger vehicle business, which includes its EV business, to be shifted into a separate subsidiary. There have been reports that the Tata Motors have been in talk with the Chinese automaker Geely with the intention of roping in the company as a strategic partner for its passenger vehicle business. Another development to the company is that where the company plans to complete its passenger vehicle unit hive off by the September quarter. Its subsidiary JLR has tie-ups with Chery Automobile of China. Discussions are open for the strategic partner of financial investors for the passenger vehicle business, and the electric vehicle space is seen as a strong growth engine. Plans are open-ended currently, and in the likely partnerships, a company insider told ET, wherein we see that the Morgan Stanley and JP Morgan are understood to be the investment bankers for the proposed plans, officials in the know said. Tata Motors as of now has received approval and now needs to receive a nod from the NCLT before the PV business spin-offs get completed. The company is hoping to complete the process by the end of September quarter this year. On this, the experts say that the partners might provide access to the new age technology and the capital can be roped in once the passenger vehicle is hived off. And simultaneously, we have been seeing that the Tata Motors has aggressive plans to reduce its debt over time in the coming next 2 to 3 years, where we can see zero levels of debt for the company. In the recent year, we see that the Tata Motors has increased focus on the development of its electric vehicles, started with the Tigor EV mainly for the fleet operators and followed up with the EV variant for the popular Nexon model. The Nexon EV for the company has become one of the fastest selling EV by clocking the sales of around 4,000 units since its launch. The automaker has plans to come up with its electric vehicle version of the Altroz hatchback soon. Tata Motors closed the sales for FY21 at record growth in the 8 years seen by the company. Not only in the passenger vehicle segment, in the JLR segment, the company has robust plans for electrification. Both the brands as of the company will be transformed by the electrification. 6 new electric vehicles, Land Rover models in the next 5 years. The company plans first arriving in year 2024, and also in the Jaguar, the company completely reimagined as a pure electric vehicle brand from 2025. So these are the plans for the JLR segment of the company. Tata Motors has stated that it will leverage the group companies as well into this. The Tata Power will be setting up with the charging infrastructure, the Tata Autocom for the battery pickup, the Tata Chemicals for lithium-ion cells, and Tata Finance for financing options. So not only Tata Motors, the whole of the Tata Group companies is pushing into the EV transformation. So that's why Tata Motors and Tata Group companies is in buzz today on the plans to raise funds for its EV business.